Hi all, in this video we'll learn about document library, one of the most important and interesting features of AsterDocs. Document library contains documents on all three levels separately, that is company, facility and product level. And there are two types of view options available in this, tree view and the list view. You can find both the options as user-friendly. In the tree view, you can upload any document by clicking on the file upload option present in the top right corner. Document type for three levels are mentioned on the right side section. To upload a file, just select the document type, choose the file, set the effective date, expiry date and publish status. If you will choose the publication status as publish, then you can share that document to those customers who have sent the request for that document. You can also uncheck if there is no requirement to share. Since there is no document request, so we cannot see any customer's request here. You can also download a single or a group of documents from the document library. Activity history feature is also available, where you can check the number of versions, what modifications done to the document, by whom, and it also contains sharing history, that is the list of customers with whom you have shared the document. In the list view, you can access all the documents in a single page and can change the publication status or can edit any information. In this way, it will help you to manage and track the documents by maintaining transparency within your team.